channel. So today's video is all about boxycharm. So if you don't know what boxycharm is a subscription box where you pay, I think, $21 or $21.99 a month, and they will send you full-size products such as the makeup palette, brushes, or like, you know, highlights or whatever you choose. They will send it to you. So first, the box does come with a greeting card. So this is today's card is for peace, love, and boxy. So this is what it looks like, and it tells you what each products are and how much they cost if you want to buy it individually. So let's get started. So as I have already opened my box. So I opened the brushes so you can see how soft it is. This is from Luxy, and look how soft the brushes are. Like, it's super soft. I can't wait to use it. So it comes with 3 brushes, and it also comes with the Artist Cord highlight. So it's a diamond glow powder. It's a loose powder highlighter. So I can't wait to use this. I already opened it, and it's such a beautiful color, and that's what it looks like. Summer has. So this is so good. I can't wait to use it. We have a pure eyeshadow palette. So this, let me go ahead and open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's what the palette looks like. It's such a beautiful colors. I can't wait to play around. I am going to use it. I can't wait to try this one here. Oops, can't really see it. This one. I can't wait to try this one. I am gonna do a makeup look with this. I know I keep saying I'm gonna do a makeup look and like post it, but I am so shy. But anyhow, I have to do it one of these days. But I'm really excited to try this glitter palette. So that's what that looks like. And I also got the, where is it? It's a lipstick. It's a long, where's the box? It's right here. Christopher Buckler. I never heard of him. I don't know who he is. Cashmere lip, long wear lipstick. So I want to try this. It's a pretty color, actually. It's a really pretty color. I can't wait to actually try this. So I'm gonna wear this to work today. Look at the color. It's so pretty. So that's what that looks like. And oops. So yeah, that's what I got. I also got a, what is it? I think this is a Starlux. I haven't opened this, but I think this is an eyeliner, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it is an eye pencil. So can't wait. Actually, I need an eye pencil because I kind of ran out. So I can't wait to try this. So this is my boxycharm April month boxycharm, and it's love, peace, love, and boxy. I can't wait. I love the theme. I can't wait to like rock it, wear it. I'm so excited. So if you guys like this video, click your thumbs up, and thank you for watching. And if you want to see my makeup look, I do have Instagram. You can go ahead and follow me at Makeup Queen 86 at Makeup Queen. So it's makeup_queen 86, and go ahead and follow me, and I have some makeup looks over there. I do upload pictures on that. So if you want to go ahead and follow me there, go ahead. I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye.